Hey guys, welcome back. So I know I look different for some of you. I mean, if you've been watching my channel for a while, then this is nothing new. I cut my hair off a long time ago, but I just love wearing wigs. So I am just rocking my cut for now. I do want to go to the barber and get like some designs put in, like on the side, you know, the way I used to do it. But yeah, I'm not doing that today. We actually have the movers coming out to do a pre-assessment. They just need to come in the house and see what all we have so that they know what to bring on pack day, which is next week. Wednesday and Thursday is pack day, and then Friday is going to be load, so they're going to be, you know, putting everything in the truck. But we have a lot of stuff, so it's going to take them 2 days to pack everything up. And we rented out our house today, so I'm really happy about that. We don't have to worry about this house and, you know, worry about the payments in the house that we're renting out in Florida. So, oh my goodness, I was really stressing out because it was getting really close to move day and we didn't have, like, you know, a tenant. I have all of this decor inside of here. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it open so the movers know, like, when you come here, you're gonna be packing up decor and this is where it's gonna be. So I'm just gonna open these up so that they know, you know, where all of the decor is. Let me show you guys this right here. So this is a, what is it called? Like a draft stopper. You put it in front of your door. This is actually a company collaboration, so I do want to thank them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. But yeah, I got it in the mail not too long ago, and I believe it is Velcro. So you just put this on the door, attach it to the door, and then you can just stick this on. This part is gonna, you know, attach to this. It has adhesive on the back of it. I'm just gonna do one strip. I don't want to use all of it because I'm not gonna be staying in this house, so I don't want to use up all of the tape for it. And yeah, you just go ahead and stick it to the door, and then you just stick the draft stopper on it. It will stick, and you don't have to worry about, you know, any drafts coming in from underneath the door. And when you're done with it, you just, you know, pull it off and hang it up. So it's really easy and I really like it, and it's pretty. Unlike the other one I had, it was really ugly. It was brown and you just have to slide it underneath the door. So part of it is on the inside of the house and the other half is on the outside, and it was always a pain. So like just dealing with it, and whenever I didn't want to use it, constantly having to open the door just to, you know, take it out. With this one, I just take it off of the Velcro. I can hook it to the door or just, you know, store it away. But it's really great to use. So I'll have the link for it in the description box if you want to get your hands on it, guys. Hello.
Hi, I'm Dan.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Walk through to see what's going.
Yeah, I have a lot of mirrored pieces. So I'm definitely gonna need.
Do the mirrors come out?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. So what would you use for like mirrored coffee tables and like just mirrored pieces of furniture?
They would have to, well, we can't crate it, but we probably have to put some sort of corrugated over it. They'll figure it out.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys, so we are done with the assessment. He just went around and, you know, took note of everything. He said the movers are going to have to come with a lot of the boxes for, like, dishware because I have a lot of mirrored pieces. And as far as, like, my coffee tables and stuff like that, he just said they'll figure it out. They have a ton of different ways they can pack it up. But when the actual movers get here, they will, you know, they will decide on how they want to pack it, but it's gonna arrive in one piece, and you know, it's gonna be packed properly. So I pray that's the case. I need to go in the kitchen and just declutter in there. I actually have a to-do list, so let me show you guys. I know I'm forgetting to add something to this list, but you know, clean doors, clean windows, paint the kitchen base. Oh, I did this already. I Had to touch up the kitchen baseboards with a fresh coat of paint. Paint the master closet ceiling because we had like some water damage some years ago, but we had to get a new water heater, and now I just need to like fix the there's just a lit spot in the master bedroom closet that had like a stain from the water leaking. It was like a slow leak, but over time it caused that like browning, that brown like stain on the ceiling. So I need to just, you know, give it a fresh coat of paint. I need to paint in my son's ceiling as well because it caused the same damage. I have to do some touch-up paint on the kitchen cabinets, clean out the garage. We actually did this, so don't need to do that. Well, it's not completely clean, but we had to take everything out and only put back the items that we wanted to pack away. And yeah, the rest went to, you know, the dump and got donated and stuff like that. Purge my decor. I need to do that again. I just added this to the list. I was gathering up all of my decor so I can do some more purging, but yeah, it's just so hard because the stuff I have now is stuff that I really love and I don't want to get rid of. Like all of the stuff inside of these cabinets, I really don't want to get rid of this stuff because, you know, I like to switch out my decor and just play around with my stuff around the house. So I know I'm going to use it. I just don't use it all at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this list of things. I'm going to start from the top, which is cleaning all of the doors. So let me show you guys because these doors can get really dirty. So just like around the doors, this one needs a touch up of paint. I guess we put a new doorknob or something on it. I don't know what happened, but yeah, that needs to be painted. So I have my magic eraser, and then I'm going to use this Method all-purpose cleaner to just, you know, get rid of the residue that the magic eraser leaves on the door. But this door isn't too bad. I'm still going to hit up every single one. There's like some stains here. I might need to touch up the paint here. All right, let me show you the spot that needs to touch up. Okay, so right there, you can see like it's brown. It's not that bad, but it bothers me. So I'm just gonna assume it'll bother someone else. They might come and think, oh, there's some water damage if they see it. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint over it because like I said, it bothers me. And if I went into a rental and I saw that, I would start wondering like, okay, what's going on? Is there water damage? Oh no, it's dripping. I hope it did not just drip on my clothes. Oh man, okay, I'm gonna have to check. But yeah, it's just a little touch up. It's not bad. All right, so that is done. I will come back later and do a second coat because I still feel like I can see some of the brown trying to like you know, come through. I'm working on my son's room now. I already painted. I couldn't record it because I was letting my battery charge, but I had primer up here and you could tell like although the primer was white, it had a different sheen and you could tell the difference. So I had to go back and you know, just put the ceiling paint up there, but you can still see like right here, you can see how it looks different. That's primer. I still need to paint, but I had to repair like a crack in the wall. So I was waiting for the compound to dry. It goes on pink, and when it turns white, that means it's dry. So now I just need to sand it and then finish painting, you know, just right in this area. You know, do the touch up and I'll be done here. I can work on something else. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video for today. It's getting really late. It is 6:40 and I do need to tend to the kids, but I'm gonna just finish this off camera and then call it a night as far as like, you know, my to-do list goes, because I'm not in the mood to do anything else. I did take a break because the kids came home and then my husband came home with groceries, so I was like putting away stuff, and now I'm pretty tired, so I'm gonna just relax for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is going to be another busy day because we're having a going away, like, you know, get together thing. Mainly my husband. I don't really have a lot of friends, so it's not like I can invite a bunch of people. My homegirl is out to sea right now. She's military too, and she's, you know, deployed. So yeah, and then all of my other friends no longer live in Virginia, so the people that I would invite to a get together are like not here. So yeah, but my sister-in-law, she's gonna be here. And then Sunday we're gonna be taking the bed apart to deliver it to my friend's house. So I'm gonna try to rent a truck from Lowe's. You can rent their pickup trucks. It's, I believe, $20 for what, like 2 or 3 hours, something like that. But it is a first come first serve, so you know, if we cannot get it, then we'll just get a U-Haul and deliver it. All right, so I'm gonna wrap up this video now. I hope you enjoyed watching, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.